You're beautiful, you're handsome, you're awesome.
Bonjour everybody, hope you're great and welcome back to my channel. If you're new and you don't know me, what's up? I'm OsvalDior or OsvalDiva. Shout out to you girls, sis. And shout out to all my haters. Ha! So today, you can see on the title, coronavirus tutorial. Yes, because it's intense now. Like everything here in Canada, it's almost closed. It's locked down. I'm like, oh my god, you can see I have my gloves, I have my mask because bitch, please, I don't want all the bacteria, all this virus inside me. Oh my god, I cannot do nothing. Oh my god, with this mask, it's the only mask I can find because all the masks was sold out, all the Purell was sold out, all the paper toilet. Can you explain me why the paper toilet have to be sold out? I'm like, the Purell, yes, the mask, yes, but the paper, I'm like, what? You are dirty, your ass is dirty, or what's good, or you're I don't know what, I don't get it. So today is gonna be like a tutorial about this coronavirus. It's killing a lot of people. Yes, it's intense, it's serious, so that's why in Canada at least it's not that much, but still like everybody's worried about it, and they have only 2,500 cases here in Canada. And it's like giving more every day. It's like more up, more worse, we can say, but I hope everything is gonna be done soon. Everything is gonna be correctly. We can go out chilling in the park, hotel, I mean bar, club, everything, like have a life, like not stay at home and don't do nothing with the cuatro paredes. We're gonna be like locals, you know what I mean? Okay, so this is the look I created for the coronavirus tutorial, the COVID-19, with the beautiful palette of Conspiracy palette from Jeffree Star Cosmetic and Sean Dawson. So this is what it looks like, and this is what it's looking on my eyes. And you will see the tutorial later, but you want to see the palette because this palette is sold out so quickly. And I bought it on, I told you on my last video. If you're watching my last video, bitch, please, you can see I ordered it in the same thing of Bloodlust. And this is what it's looking if you want to see it. Pretty, 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 pretty. And by the way, on the bottom of my eyes, I use the cheese dust with the cochon, with the pig. It's so pretty, pretty, pretty. And oh my god, what I can say about this palette, it's pretty, it's gorgeous, I like it. I think you understand me with the mask, right? Because I can't understand you. I don't know, like with this mask it's so complicated. For me, I gave you how much? 8 on 10 because it's a great palette. The packaging is so pretty, and one of my favorite is, you can see, is the yellow one, the food videos. This is one of my favorite, and the diet cola, it was so pretty. You will see in the tutorial, guys, so keep on watching. You better watch this if you want to see like the tutorial of coronavirus COVID-19. So let's go. Okay guys, are you ready for doing this beautiful makeup like coronavirus tutorial COVID-19? So this is what it looks like. Do you like it? You don't like it? So pretty. And of course, like I told you, I'm gonna use the palette of Conspiracy palette from Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star collaboration together. So this is what it looks like. Do you like it? And I have the gloves, everything like that. Yeah, baby, because I don't trust no bitch. So all the bacteria, you can take it with you because I'm 100% like safe. I don't have nothing, thank God, gracias a Dios, porque oh my god, this is so terrible. Like it's getting like all global, and then all works, it's locked down. I'm like, oh my god, mine included. So that's why I do a tutorial for doing like this coronavirus. Like seriously, it's so, you have to be careful. Wash your hands, watch your body, watch everything. Not the Purell is gonna help you. At least watch your hands, please, because this is so important for hygiene, of course, because hygienic, we have to do it like that. You don't have to be dirty and then Purell every time. No, wash your hands. That's better than Purell, period. So let's continue. Let's start it because you can see the other side. Ooh, what pretty, 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 pretty. So I'm gonna do it in this side, the tutorial about the conspiracy palette. First of all, I started with the yellow. Like you can see the yellow right there. Ooh, so pretty, but you can see it's a little bit like, I don't know what's going on with that. I'm like, okay. Because kind of that color is so difficult to create it. So I have my mirror here. So let's do it like this. And of course, I'm gonna have it the whole, oh my god, no. Oh my god, I'm confused with the shade. Now, bravo Osvaldo. Talking to you guys, I make mistake. And it's because I just took it like the Trisha bitch. And I want the food video. Oh my god, with this mic it's gonna be so difficult. So I press it like this. You can see. But you can see I have to put it 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 times to give it this color. At least I can show you like the real effect on my eyes with this color because I don't Photoshop, I don't Facetune. This is pure real life. Oh my god, you can see it took me so long time to create this color and they have a patchiness. I don't know if it's the eyes base. I don't think so because I always use the Anastasia Beverly Hills and never do that. Second one with a flat brush, we're gonna use this one. This one is called Diet Cola. Just a silver, I was so shook when I swatched this on my eyes. I'm like, wow, what a pretty. And it's like so good. Look, 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 look. Oh my god. Look at it, wow. So after that, I'm gonna use this one. It's Flaming Hot, a red pink one, like this, right there exactly, and do it some circle movement. And then with a brush very tiny like this, can you see? We're gonna go with the red one, the Flaming Hot, and then now you're gonna create the shape of the eyes. Yes, like this, papa. So now I'm gonna put it a little bit of black. So one type, I'm just gonna take slightly my right here. Oh my god, I wanna like 1, 2, 3. Not that much because I don't want it too much, so we added the black one. Just here guys, in the corner, and then you blend with Flaming Hot. That's it. Don't go too much up, and then don't put it too much product. Just slowly and create your shape. Like me, I want to do a V shape, so I do it like a V, like this. You can see the V. This. So pretty. Like, ooh, look at this. Yes. Ooh, la 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 la. Perfect. So this is what it looks like. I really love it. I'm gonna do it the lashes and the bottom of my eyes, and then I will come back soon guys. But you can see it's totally pretty. I really love it. What do you think about that? Okay guys, so this is the final look. Like I told you, like I told you. Do you like it? You don't like it? Let me make a pose for you. Of course, on each video I have to make a pose because this pretty makeup, I really love it. Oh, mamma mia, papacito, ¿qué pasó? ¿Qué lo que? So this I totally love it, love it, love it. And with the mask, everything, with the gloves, I do the tutorial because why not? Coconut, we have to do it because this is gonna be so intense. It's already intense. So you have to wash your hands, watch your body because I tell you, like the Purell, yes, it's gonna disinfect your hands, but does that mean you don't have to take shower? You don't have to wash your hands, dirty people. Because I see people like only Purell, Purell, Purell. Bitch! It's gonna help you. Of course, it's gonna be like so dirty, like dirty on the cold. Wash your hands. That's the best way to take it off all the bacteria. Not always Purell. It's look like you're gonna put a deodorant every time because you don't take shower. This is disgusting, guys. So that's why they have so many bacteria, so many virus. Whatever, this is too intense for me, so that's why I create this beautiful tutorial about coronavirus because it was so intense. And me, I'm like, okay, fuck off, I have to do it like beauty about this controversy, like intense what is going on the world about this one. And why those color? Because when I see the coronavirus, they have like gray with red, with a little bit yellow and a little bit orange. So this is what it looks like. I'll completely do it my beautiful makeup and I like it. So it's Corona vibe. What do you think about that? I really love it. I love it. Oh yeah, this is so pretty. Mamacita, que lindo, papacito, chulito. So this is the end of the video, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave message down below or not, I don't give a F, you CK. And don't forget, of course, you're beautiful, you're handsome, you're awesome. And keep in mind, we are the stars of our lives. So bye guys, que Dios le bendiga, and wash your hands please and be careful. I'm sick.